Hey, what's going on, man? Sorry about this entire week, guys. I haven't I had a problem. I had a problem this week. A car broke down, and I was 5 hours away, so I couldn't go live, guys. Does it look like it's ready to rip up? No. Um, Hold on, let me take a look real quick. I don't think it's gonna go up just yet. I think we still have some more room to the downside, but it really matters on the once we get a reversal on the MACD on the 4 hour, then we could come up. But as of right now, I don't see this thing going up. Yeah, I think still we're still gonna see some drop, guys. As just as long as I don't know, I really can't predict anything, but I still see more to the downside. But if we get a really big green candle, then that can always change. So it's really up to what happens. I honestly don't know. So all I'm here is all I'm here to do is to react and to make, a couple $100 and that's it, guys. I mean, I'm just here. I don't care which way it goes. If it's still down, I don't care. I'm just here to react to the movements and that's it. So let's just see what happens today, guys. I'm gonna. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes. All right, guys, let's see what we do today. If we get on the MACD, if we get a push above, if we get a push above these, above the positive side, then I think we could possibly go up for a little bit. I don't know. I don't know how long. Probably up to here somewhere. I don't know. But let's just see what happens, guys. Market opens in 11 seconds. So let's see what happens, fellas. I'm just gonna wait for a confirmation of any kind. I'm not gonna. I mean, I'm already up $281. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna take no risk today. I mean, it's Friday. Could be a slow day. I don't know, guys. So let's just wait and see. See what happens, guys. Looks like we're gonna go lower a little bit here. Just depends. If we get a really good green candle, then you can get into some longs. I think Nvidia is going to go to 122.81. So let's see if this pushes up. If Nvidia pushes this up. If not, we're still going to continue down. So all right, let's just wait, guys. Let's just wait and see what happens. Nope, we're going to go down, guys. I believe we're going to go down. Yep, we're going to go down. What the hell's wrong with this? Well, I think we're gonna go down and then we're gonna get a bounce up from what I'm seeing on the 30. So let's just wait and see what happens. I just want to confirm it first. I just want to wait. I don't need to make extra moves. I already made money today or last night, really. Well, let's just wait, guys. This is crazy. It's been nothing but dropping and dropping and dropping for the last couple of days. That's crazy, guys. I mean, you could probably enter shorts here, but I really don't want to risk. I don't want to risk anything right now. Now, if the 30-minute stochastics comes back up, guys, then I'm going in longs. But this looks like we're just going to keep rolling down. So I would wait. I would wait till at least if it comes back up here. I mean, you can probably get into some shorts now, but see if we can follow this trend, guys. That's crazy. It's crazy that we're going down. Looks like we're going to go down possibly to 482.60. If we don't get no kind of reversal, 482.60 on the Qs. 482.60, guys. 482.60 on the Qs. I'm not getting in. So 482.60 is on the Qs, possibly to the downside. So that's all I'm seeing right now. So you can probably get into some shorts as soon as it hits this 15 EMA right here. You can probably get into some shorts, maybe in between here. Get into some shorts, guys. Unless if we break through this, then get into longs. But if we can't, then we need to get into some shorts. I'll go ahead and get into some shorts here. This is my live account. I'm not going to do anything with the live right now. I'm just going to wait for this live or for my live account. I have to be careful. Wow, that's a crazy rip, guys. That's a crazy rip right there. I would be careful. I would be careful, guys. I would not play with this. I would be careful. Think I'm gonna be going into longs here in a minute. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. No, I'm gonna stay in shorts for now. I'm gonna stay in shorts. I'm not doing anything right now, guys. I'm not going in. Hey, what's going on? Not much. Oh, nothing. I'm just trying to trade here. Marcus has just been pulling back, man. I gotcha. All right, guys. If y'all look on the 5 minute here, I honestly don't know why, but um, but on the 5 minute, I don't know why the MACD doesn't actually move with it. But if you get that crossover in the 5 minute, then we're going up. But yeah, man, I think I'm looking for. I think I'm giving shorts. I'm looking for shorts. Let's see. All right. Yeah, get into some shorts, guys. I'm in shorts here. I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna mess with my live account, guys. You know, I'm just not. I'm not feeling it on my live today. Yeah, I'm looking at shorts Q. not getting into anything right now. Only got some shorts. I got 3 contracts on shorts right now. And it looks like since we're having this big pop like that, that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. I'm still seeing shorts coming, guys. I'm still seeing shorts. That's crazy. Sometimes this stuff doesn't even make sense, man. All right, looks like we're about to go break higher. So, I'd say you can probably go longs then. This thing is pushing up way too fast, guys. Wow, that's crazy. These moves like this are crazy, man. I'm just gonna wait for confirmation first. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna get into some longs here in a minute. I'm just waiting on confirmation on the I'm waiting on the 15 minute to see what the 15 minute is going to tell me. Um, you gotten into anything, Q? Can you hear me? Okay. I still see shorts, guys. I really don't know why this is. I see shorts. I mean, I'm in shorts here. So, I'm not going to get into anything right just yet. Think they should be coming in. Are they going to come in? Yeah, I think we're gonna get those shorts coming in. It's very confusing, man. I just don't get it sometimes. Well, I guess we're gonna be getting longs, guys. I don't know. Honestly, don't know. Movements here are crazy. Still see shorts. Why do I see shorts? It's in M and Q, guys. I'm trading M and Q. This shit don't make no sense. Don't make no sense at all. Are we actually getting those shorts coming in? I don't get this, man. This stuff is confusing, guys. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I have no idea, guys. I still see the downside, though. I still see the downside, guys. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. If we get that 1 minute crossover to the downside on the MACD, then I think we could drop. So let's go to the 1 minute and see what's going on here. I don't know why these don't move as it's moving. It just doesn't make any sense. I think we can get that pushed to the downside, guys. I'm not gonna mess with my live account right now, guys. Today is not the day to be doing this stuff, guys. Really. The fundamentals don't make sense at all, so what do you see anything, Q? Yeah. I feel like this thing is going to drop, man, but I mean, I see it. I see all the drop on the 10 minute and the 15, the 20. I see the drop. I have no clue, man. This is all the technicals don't make sense at all right now, especially with this little movement that just happened here. It came back down and then reversed right back up. It's not making any sense at all. And this is the reason why I would much rather just stay out of this today. I'm just using my Express account. But if we do get a drop, it'll be right here. Okay. I think we're good to go shorts, guys. I think so. I'm not messing with this account. This is way too risky right now, guys. Not with my live. I'll stay in it um with this here, but I'm not going on my live account. It's too risky right now, guys. I'm about to go ahead and get out of these. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? My computer just lagged, man. It just kicked me off. Oh, it just kicked me off, man. It's this Streamlabs crap. It's Streamlabs. Sorry, guys. My computer just crashed. Or it's my, sorry, guys. Let me fix this real quick. Jesus, man. I don't know why this is horrible. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we're just gonna have to work with this right now. Man, I need to find some other service, man. Something else besides Streamlabs. This thing is not it's not helping at all. It's messing up. Oh my gosh. All right. on, give me 1 second, fellas. Sorry about that, fellas, but I'm in right here. All right. I'm still seeing shorts, guys, so probably getting some shorts here. Um, I'm not going to mess with my live account today. I mean, I'm already up $281. I can care less. I don't like the way the technicals are looking right now. So, uh, I do see the downside though, all the way back down to 496.93 on the Qs. Um, let's see if we can get that pushed down though. I might just do a little scalping here. Yeah, man. So I got that vacuum leak done, man. It was just two hoses. Or the mechanic got it done. I just didn't want to mess with it anymore. I still see the downside. Why? Why do I see the downside still? All I'm seeing is downside, guys. I don't know. It's just acting very strange, man. Yeah, today is not a good day to be playing any kind of any putting any positions, guys. I don't. This is those days that I would just like not even do anything on my live account. There's just no way. I am not playing with this at all. Nothing's making sense right now. Nope. We might come up here and touch this 50 up here, but I still see the downside. I don't know why. Actually, you know what? Oh man. Yeah, I think we're gonna push up now, man. Dude, this is a whole bunch of crazy shit, man. I need to stop getting in way too early. Like, seriously. I'm still seeing the downside, guys. I mean, if you take a look at the 10, we're still below. I mean, we might come back up like this and then come back down, or we can just come down. Ah, it's a weird day, man. Weird day. I'm getting out of one. I'm getting out of two here in a minute. I'll just let that one run if we do go down further. I'm not gonna mess with my live, guys. I still see a downside, guys. I still do. I'm at 722 on the Express account. That's if I'm smart and I just try to see if dude, have you seen, hey Q, do you see the moves right now? Man, these things these movements are crazy, man. I got in yeah, the volatility is crazy, guys. This is this is not a good day to be playing anything. Just to be honest, this is not the day. Yeah, I shouldn't like it's just the fun when the fundamentals don't make sense, you should not be playing it. Because that's when they're messing with everything. I got out of that so I'm down to one. So I'm just gonna sit tight here until I see something on the 15 on the 10 minute until I see something on the 10 minute, guys. I'm not yeah, I'm gonna wait. We're still on the bottom side of this MACD. I know y'all can't see it, but we're still on this bottom side, which I know that, when you have a MACD, riding the bottom, usually how that looks like is like this. Hold on, let me see. How do I do that? It usually goes like this. Oh, hold on, give me 1 second, fellas. Good arrow. Hold on, what is the arrow again? The arrow line, Control F2. Okay, Control F2. All right, so usually it goes like this, then it goes like this, then it goes like this, then it goes like this. That's how it usually looks like whenever the MACDs are um, below the MACD. That's how I've seen it, but I don't know. It's doing something strange today, so I have no idea, guys. Today is a strange day. I'm about to get out of my short position here. I'm about to get out of this one and go to the upside here in a minute. Yeah, I'm about to get out. I'm just going to wait till he hits back in this level. Once I go green, I'll just get out of it. If I do. think we can go up from here, guys. That's what I'm seeing. So, come on. Give me a green. Give me some green. I don't think it's coming back now. Ah. You know what? I'm gonna sit here and just wait. I'm gonna sit here and wait, see what happens. We can probably get this to come back down here just a little tad bit. Yeah, Q, I'm gonna sit that 240 to the side. It has a timing chain thing or timing issue, so I'm gonna set that to the side and then break out the Miata. Well, the timing is off because you know, when you have a car and it makes those pops like boop boop, like it makes the what is it? Yeah, the backfire. It goes doop 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 doop, like that. And yeah, it. I already know there's something wrong with the timing because whenever I drive it, it just doesn't seem right. But it does backfire too. Technicals don't make sense, guys. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not playing with this on my live. There's just no way. Not on my live account. I might. All right, so once we come back down, I'll get into some long positions here in a minute. If we do come back down, I want to see it come back down to this level here. I'll buy right there. That's crazy, man. Look at this movement. Nvidia's going up to that 127 probably, or at least to that 122.68. I'm just going to get out of this. There's just no telling, guys. I'm not. Today's one of those days, man. It's one of those days. Now, if you're a gambler, you can probably just get in this if you wanted to. I'm not. We already touching that 50 on the 4 hour. I still see shorts. I don't know why. I still see shorts. I'm still seeing shorts. I have no idea, guys. The way I'm reading the fundamentals. That's all I see is shorts. I don't know why it's. Man, this is crazy. Yeah, man, but what's his name? Talked to Dave, not I talked to Eric, and I'm just trying to figure out what I should do because I mean I feel bad for him, but he's not producing like he said he's going to, So I don't want to be mean about it, you know, um, or say anything in regards to how he trades because, I mean, he said this months ago that he's going to produce on day one. I mean, he had a little runs, but he lost most of it already, and that's not the way to trade, man. And it's not helping me out, with the Elliott waves that he's putting out. It doesn't help me out in any way. Um, I don't think it's not benefiting him either. Whenever we talk on the phone, there's just nothing. I think I'm just gonna tell him just to get on my live if he wants to watch it, man, because I just can't be on the phone all day, you know? I just rather not. I don't want to be on the phone all day. It's too exhausting. Yeah. 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 And either way, he doesn't even listen to me either way, so every time I tell him to take a trade or something, he's like, "Oh yeah, well you know, I'll just go the other way." You know, I was trying to help him, man. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's look at the time frames here. Let me just check them out real quick because nothing is making sense right now for me. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me you. Okay. All right, so we're looking at this is the 1 hourly. We already touched this 50 right here, but looking at the MACD, uh we're in the negatives right now. Let's look at the 30. So we do have a level here that I'm seeing right now. We have a level right there. Uh, we still are below in the negatives on the MACD, guys. Now if this bounces to the upside, then yeah, we know we could see this running up. But as of right now, I just don't see that. I see this coming back down. Um, I'm not a guru, so I cannot, I don't know what's going to happen, but as far as technical goes, technicals are telling me to the downside. That's what technicals are telling me. Um, and it just doesn't make any sense right now. I mean, I could be wrong. I mean, maybe I'm reading it wrong, but everything is already overextended either way. Who knows? We can possibly get a big drop to the downside, but all right. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's all I'm seeing is the downside for some reason. I don't know. So we're just gonna have to wait see what happens. I'm not gonna play with my live guys. That's just too risky. Sorry, I'm repeating that over and over again, but you know, you have to know your boundaries, guys. Yeah, you haven't talked to David at all or anything? Anybody? Jesus, man. What is it with people that, and I'm not saying this to be mean or anything, but whenever you're talking business, man, it should be business and not keep everybody in the dark for a long time, That's just crazy, man. I just frustrate myself, man. I shouldn't because I'm doing what I need to right now, but he said something about the April creating this private hedge fund. He said something about April, um, that we should be seeing the what is it? The operations, what is it called? The articles of yeah. He, yeah, he's gonna have those ready in April. I'm not gonna sign anything until if I see any. So basically, we are pretty much founders or whatever of the company, but um, it's more of, you know, how much because they're talking about 20% of 20% of commission. And I remember specifically John, he said something about, or you could do more in the past meetings that we had. So I don't know why they would change that, like 20% and just make it only that. Because I honestly don't want to make a company a lot of money and I'm just getting crumbs. Right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if anything, man, I mean, I know they're creating that private hedge fund, but still, like, if I'm not getting more than, a certain amount of commission, and I know, we're going to be share owners of that company, but still, um, they're profiting, they would be profiting big, knowing that, he has a social group, that follows him. John John has like 20K followers, so I already know he's squared away, you know. Um, yeah, he's licensed, but then again, I will be licensed too. Um, and I'm gonna get that squared away as well. I actually need to start studying that. Other than, I mean, even with all that's going on, it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, you still have to create your own LLC, you know? So, I mean, I'm gonna create mine and I'm gonna, do what I need to, especially with the certification that I'm gonna get, become a commodities financial advisor, get my Series 3 and then register. Um, but I'm gonna do what I need to, man, because it seems like this is they're more thinking of long term, and right now it just doesn't bother them if they do it or not. So I have to do what I need to do in order to get on my feet. But and I mean, realistically, what I just need is just a couple of people that are interested in investing, and then take 30% of that, and just do it that way, man. That I mean, and then doing this live stream, and that's it. I mean, I really don't need much, man. I mean, I would love to become a millionaire, but is this necessary? No, but I mean, it would be nice. Yeah. Yep. Right. Yep. No. Right. Right. Well, I can tell you right now that as far as, how I'm doing things now, I mean, all I'm doing is just paying off debt and whatever I owe, and I have to get, family squared away and stuff. But I mean, once I start making that money and not having to pay any debt or anything, I mean, I can just, leave it in the account and just grow it, you know, and that's it. Um, so that's, yeah. Mm-mm. I haven't gone in it. Yeah. Jeez. Wow, this was a strange day. It was that big candle that made the difference right here. It was this candle that made it to what it was, that change and broke structure right here. So this was the one right here that made everything change. Um, what's Nvidia doing? Yeah, Nvidia's going all the way. There's a wick on Nvidia at 127.21 that I'm seeing, and I'm thinking it's probably going to go up there. Just looking at this 15, but I still see shorts. Like I still do. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I see it on the 1 hour. I see shorts on the 1 hour. Like what's wrong with me? Jeez, man. Sometimes the system works. How I trade it, it works. But but whenever you get into situations where, just whenever it just doesn't make any sense, man, that's when you get in trouble, man. And I've done that plenty of times and I know to stay away. And definitely, it's interesting. Because I don't get it. Look at Tesla, man. Tesla pumped, man. It's up $8. Hold on, let's see. Tesla is up $9 and the rest are not. The rest are like Google 74 cents, Apple 22, Meta is $2, Nvidia is $1, $2, Q's is $3. It just doesn't make any sense. I don't What did Tesla do? That's what's making this thing push up, right? And I mean Nvidia too. Nvidia's they're all popping. I don't understand. It's all right. It's all right. This can ride up as much as it wants. I'm gonna catch some shorts. Oh, really? That's what it was? The Ukraine deal? Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, I'll stay away from the news, man. I'll just react to whatever happens on the charts. Yeah, yeah, I know. I think I'm down on this one, guys. I'm down 200 but I'm up right now. I'm up 386 with this one here, but I'm gonna try to save this one. I only got one contract in here, so I'm gonna try to look for a reversal and dump like five more contracts on here and break even and see if I can get my money back. And then on this one, I'm not even gonna touch my live. If I do see some kind of reversal on the if the MACD on the 1 minute goes below zero on the negative side, uh I would get into some shorts. That's the only way that I would get into shorts on my live account if the MACD on the 1 minute goes below the negative side. It says need thoughts on APID. The volatility left me out to wait for some entry. Yeah, honestly I wouldn't even get in today, man. This is shit because this can ride up all day and not even get a reversal. You know, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm not, and I'm still seeing shorts for some reason. I don't know. I'm seeing shorts on the 1 hour. If we can get a reversal on if the 15-minute stochastics cross over and they come back down, then I'll get into shorts on the 15. Yeah, man, this thing is riding up. It's probably going to go up to 510, 511 on the Qs, guys. Can I get your thoughts on APID? I don't do stocks, guys. Like I don't all I look at is the Max 7 and read fundamentals and that's it. I don't do the news. I don't care how much they make. I don't care if the manager takes a number two at the toilet. I don't care about none of that stuff, guys. All I do is just trade futures and I just look at the Mag 7 to see, what's carrying what, and that's it, guys. I don't know nothing about news or anything. I don't know why everybody follows, like, I honestly don't know. Like the only reason why I guess people would follow it is if they have, plenty of money to, or unless they're doing penny stocks, or something like that, just to try to catch the big move. I just don't understand. Yeah, yeah. I mean, stocks always go up, so why not just invest in all of them, right? I mean, looking at it, if you go back in time, everything's just gone up, 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 up. Yeah. Just invest in all of them. I can guarantee you, you'll have some change. It might not be much, but it'll be something. Right. You gotta have money, guys, and you have to be. Warren Buffett. If you want to wait 80 years and you want to know about those stocks and what they do and stuff like that, then you can be, you can invest like Warren Buffett and just put the money in there and not worry about it. I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna wait till I'm 100. I'm gonna just do what I need to right now and try to make what I can. I'm gonna post up my I'm gonna be posting my what do you call it? Yeah, my profits for this week, guys. I'm gonna post those up after today. I will always do that every Friday, so just be on the lookout for that. All right, well, guys, so like I said, I will not be entering in no kind of short positions unless I see the MACD on the 1 minute crossover and go below zero to the negative side. That's the only way I'm going to get into some shorts on this live account. So let's look at the one real quick. Oh my gosh, don't tell me if you crash. Okay. So if this crosses over and calms down and goes below zero, to the downside, I'll get into some shorts. But other than that, I'm not gonna mess with this because this can still ride up. The way this is looking right now, even if the MACD crosses, the way that looks is what is it? Control F2. We come back down, boom, come back up, come back down, come back up, come back down, come back up. That's how it looks like. If this keeps riding up here and it keeps following, that's how it looks like. That's from what I've seen. This is how it looked like um, over the years. But if you get an aggressive push and the MACD goes closer to the zero, then you're most likely getting that reversal, and then you have to go switch over to the 5 minute or the 3 minute and verify that and see if they actually do cross over. Because right here we still have a big gap between the signal line and the MACD. So we need a really big push in order to get that reversal. Hold on, Q, didn't you say you had a car for sale? Accord. Well, what else you got to do with that? I got you. Now, is it true what they say about you can only sell 5 cars? Otherwise, you'll be considered as a dealer? Oh, in 1 year. Okay, I got you. Gotcha. Right. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, you're right. That's what I need to open. I need to open a garage, man. I see, what I'm seeing is this wick to the downside, guys. I see this wick down here. I'll take note of that. Yeah, on the 15 minute, I also see this wick here. So just pay attention to these guys. Well, actually, y'all can't see that. Here, pay attention to this wick and these wicks right here. Um, Now if we get a break down here and it closes down here, then yeah, we can continue down. So just pay attention to your candle formations, pay attention to your technicals, pay attention to the timing, the bar time. because there's glitches in that, and they usually like to move things closer to when the next candle is about to form. So um, just pay attention to those guys. But I'm not making no moves right now at all whatsoever. I'm just gonna stay calm, chillax, go grab me a cold one real quick. I got a cold one right here. Got a cold one right here. I'm about to crack it open. Sprite. Man, there's nothing but like a good cold Sprite, man. I seriously need to stop. I seriously need to stop, man. I've been drinking sodas for man. I mean, I stopped a good chunk amount last year, but then, man, whenever you go out and you have a burger and some fries, man, ah, there's no way you're gonna have water with fast food, man. Like, it just kicks different. Yeah, it kicks differently. All right, guys, let's see what happens here. I would like for this to actually reverse back. I mean, looking at the 30 minute and looking at the 20, actually, uh, looking at the 1 hour, all I'm watching is a 1 hour right now because that's what I'm referencing off of. The 1 hour, what I see is shorts. I mean, I think it's because we're still on that downtrend from the top of the 1 hour is 519.20 on the Qs, guys. And I guess the middle of that range is about give or take, 508 to 512. Somewhere in the mid that's the middle. Somewhere in that middle there's a range right there. Now, I can see this going up to 512. Actually, 507 to 510 and then get a pullback. That's probably what I'm seeing on the technicals. But you know, I'm not a guru, guys. I don't know everything. Um, I just have a strategy that I trade or whatever, a method, and I follow my rules. But like I said, I am not going to enter into no shorts unless that MACD on the 1 minute is below zero. That's when I'll enter shorts. I'll wait for a pullback up. I'll wait for a pullback up. You see this right here, guys? If this goes below zero, I'll enter into shorts. I'll wait for a pullback first, and then I'll enter shorts, guys. I'm just gonna wait. And then we have to verify it on the 5 minute, guys. So it's better just to wait and just catch a trend. Or you can just, get a quickie off of it. So I have a different setting on the 1 minute. I have a different setting for the 1 minute, and I have a different setting for another 1 minute. It's just strange. No, but the one that I do have on this 1 minute, on the first one, it makes sense. Like it's making sense on what it's doing. And on the second one, it looks like I don't know. It just looks strange. I don't know if I should go with one or the other because I tried every single setting that, to change, the MACD settings, but it seems like some work better than others, and then the ones that you work with sometimes don't align with whatever the chart is set. Very strange, man. Anyways, watch those wicks to the downside, guys. Let's see if we're gonna keep bouncing up from here, I believe. This is just a little drawback from here, probably going higher. It's probably gonna go higher from here, guys. If you get a big push up from here, then you're gonna go higher. You might as well get into the longs if you get a really big push up, guys. Followed by another candle. I can still see room to the upside though. I'm just waiting for that 15. I'm waiting for that 15 sarcastics to cross over to the downside, and then we can get into them shorts if it does come, obviously. But I'm not getting into anything just yet, guys. I'm just waiting. I think we can possibly get shorts in, guys. I really do. Yeah, I'm gonna pull out the Miata today, man, because I gotta stop driving that 240, man. I don't want it to. Um, yeah, I don't want it to explode, and I know that's gonna be a big bill too, man. I need to get that timing done, and I need to. There's an oil leak somewhere that needs so the timing plus the oil pan needs to be, fixed. And there's a leak, I believe, in the transmission. I have no idea. I haven't even looked under the car, man. Um, the only time I looked under is when I tried to put that exhaust in, but I didn't thoroughly look, man. It was kind of like a really quick get the job done. Y'all can get into some longs, guys. This thing is probably gonna rip higher. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it just yet. I want to catch some shorts. What I really want to do. I want to catch some shorts. We're already overextended on the 15-minute stochastics. So I would like to see if we can get those shorts to come in soon. If the stochastics cross over on the 15 minute and it aligns with my 1 minute crossover or whatever coming back down below the zero, then I'll get into some shorts. Just as long as those two happen. Now that I'm looking at it, so yeah, they're about to cross over right now, actually. My gosh, man, Streamlabs sucks. I need to find some different service where I can stream off of, man. Streamlabs is just giving me problems. Every time I switch like time frames, it keeps on freezing for some reason. All right, guys, if we can get this to go down, if the MACD and the signal line, if we get a push down from here, like a really good red candle, then that would be a good time to get into the shorts, guys. How much are you selling that cord for? Oh, that's a good chunk of change, man. Right. Right. Mm-hmm. Hmm. All right, let's see if these shorts come in, guys. Let's just wait for confirmation first. We might get a pullback all the way up here. I don't know. Maybe this leg up here, another leg up, and then probably the reversal to the downside. I don't know. Let's just wait and see. Let's confirm it first. You know what? I need to make another 20 bucks. I need to make another 20 bucks for my 300. So, hey, give me 1 second. Let me call you right back. All right. Bye. Oh, okay. How long ago was that? Oh, okay. All right. All right. Love you. Bye. Yep. All right. Yeah, I had to call one of the mechanic that worked on the car is working on the other car, so I gotta yeah, I gotta tell him that he has to get up with me so I can pay him whenever he's done with his stuff. All right, guys. He's putting in the spark plugs, man. I'm just so done with like messing with those cars, man, so much because I've done it already so much, and I try to fix what I can, and it just after a while, man, you just get burnt out. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see if these if we can get a really good push down, then we can see those shorts. But if we don't, we're gonna see another leg up. So probably we'll probably see a blow off top from here. Yeah, man, I got tired of it. I would have Well, I like working on the cars. It's just that, sometimes it gets annoying, man. Like I worked on yachts and stuff, and that got annoying too. Right. Right. All right, guys. So I'm not getting into short shifts yet. I don't see anything at the moment. Looks like we're gonna get a blow off top, and I see it on the 10 minute. I see it on the 15. Actually, if only the stochastics on the 15 can come down, then we can probably get a reversal all the way back down to this level here. Um, Back down to here. But I honestly don't know if that's even going to happen today, which is why I'm just going to relax right now. I'm still in this one right here, guys. I'm still in this one. And I'm going to hold this one until we do get that reversal, and then I'm just going to put heavy contracts in so that way I can break even off of this one. But I'm still up on this one, $413. And with my live account, I'm up $281.88. I actually, you know what? I need to pull out $1,000 out of that account. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out 1,000 today. Oh, y'all can't even see that. Sorry. Are they? Yeah. No, if I can't get anything in the finance world, then I'm not going to do anything. That's just straight up. Yeah. Uh, in the summer, I have no idea. It's un it is undecided right now. Right. Yep. Oh, hold on. Am I seeing this correctly? If I'm seeing what I'm seeing here on the 1 hour, I think it's going to look good on the 1 hour. If I'm reading this correctly, I think something's going to happen. I don't know. Maybe I'm just dreaming right now, but I see something on the 1 hour. So if you take a look at, all right, you see that? You see the MACD on the 1 hour? Okay. All right, we're on the negative side of that, right? And based off of what our chart is telling us with the candles, we do have a resistance level at 507.50, 60, somewhere around there. Now, now if the stochastics cross over at that point, we can get a nasty pullback, man. Yeah, we're waiting for the next crossover. On the next crossover in the 1 hour, it probably will be a nasty pull down, man, because I still see this going to the downside. Even on that 1 hour, on the 30 minute as well. Like if there's a another crossover on the stochastics on the 30 minute, then yeah, it can look very nasty, man. The 15 minute is already way overextended to the upside. I'm just gonna wait for that 1 minute to if we ever get a reversal on the 1 minute G's, if it's gonna happen, it needs to happen on this next on this leg here. The stochastic is already overextended on this 1 minute, so I have not gotten into anything just yet. Only my Express account, but I'm holding that one contract. Yep. But with that contract, so I would have been up if I would have gotten out completely from that contract. I'm up four. I would have been up $700 right now. But I'm still holding it, so I'm not closing it just yet. I'm gonna save that one. I'm just gonna wait for that reversal to go in heavy. All right, so the 1 minute stochastics just crossed over. Now let's see if we can get that strong push below zero. And I'm gonna go heavy on my uh, on my Express account and just wait for confirmation. Yeah, or shorts. I'm gonna go short on my Express account, but and then I'll just get into one contract on my live to the downside, but not all the way down. That's just going to be a quick scalp. I think we're going to blow off top here. No, he hasn't called me actually. Yeah. Yeah, it's just that I mean none of his stuff actually I don't care about the A wave, B wave, C wave. I don't give a shit about none of that stuff, man. I really don't. Like it I'm trying not to be mean about it, but I honestly don't care. That's not how I trade. And I just keep hearing it over and over again. This could do this, it could do that, it can do this. Oh, but it looks like it's doing that. Maybe not. It's like, chill out, man. Right. If I would have shorted where he told me to short, I would have been liquidated already. Yep, I would have been liquidated, man. That's why I can't listen to none of that stuff, man. Not even so for the Elliott, so he's paying like the services. I don't know who's he's paying to get those Elliott wave things. So if you need services, like if you need services, and he says he's good as he is, or he says how good he is of a trader, why does he need services? Why does he need people to show him where Elliott waves are, or where things are going? Because you can actually do those yourself. All you have to do, look at the charts, look at support resistance levels, or look at areas of interest and draw your squares, your lines, or whatever. You don't need nobody else to. You don't need to pay $600 just to get that. Um, that's just crazy, man. I don't get it. He can be throwing those $600 into a live account so I can trade it and make it like, you know, make it grow until he gets a couple of thousand in there and then I can take care of the rest, man. Yeah. And I thought whenever we met out in Charlotte on the rooftop, man, I thought he was the real deal and I thought this man had millions of dollars. Oh man, that was yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'm not gonna ever be going into no any kind of meeting unless it's actual business and not go and get wasted. There's just, the mentality of that is that needs to be a part of something different. But whenever it's business, you go there, you talk business, and then you leave. Yeah. Mm, jeez. There's no plays right now. There's no plays. Everything's just slow. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting off like at lunchtime. So that way, 'cause I gotta go get a massage, man. Hmm. Oh yeah, me too, man. I look so rough, dude. I did not shave the entire weekend, man. I just look so terrible. I look like I just came out of a cave. Yeah. Yep, yep. Hmm. All right, well, looks like we might be getting some type of play here. I'm just gonna wait for confirmation first. We are getting a little movement here. Probably back down to this 50, maybe right here, possibly right here. And either we come back down here, bounce back up and go higher, or we come back down here, bounce up, hit resistance level here, and then come back down. We just have to verify, so let's just see what happens, guys. That's what it looks. It looks like it's getting there. It's getting there, guys. So let's see what happens. We need it to go below zero. That's it. And the 5 minute stochastics needs to cross over too to the downside. So I think I might just get in early. I shouldn't do that, but I think I might. I'm gonna wait for a pullback first. I really don't care if I make more money, man. Like today. I really don't care. I already made plenty of money this whole week, so oh no no no. It was from a freshwater flood, but I looked under the it was a freshwater flood and I looked under the chassis and no rust, man. There's nothing. The only rust that I see is, I mean, obviously, like the calipers and little bolts and nuts here and there, but subframe is perfect, man. The and the only big rust that I've seen is like a quarter size in the trunk, and that's it. It was just a little bit. Yeah, someone was asking for it, and he's trying to sell a truck so he can get it. But if he comes with money and tells me he wants to see if I can get it for 7K, I'm just gonna be like, man, you just wasted your time, bro. I'm serious. That's what he says. Oh. No, 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 no. I said that if he comes here with 7K, he's like, man, some people do that. They'll come there and be like, man, I just got this. All right, well, thanks for looking, bud. I already listed, I have it up there for 8, or I think 8.5. Yeah. Honestly, I really don't want to get rid of it, man. I seriously don't. I don't want to get rid of my 240, but, I need the money, man. I need to, put that in, and I need to put that money to work. Guys, I think I'm gonna get in here. All right, I think I'm gonna get into some shorts, guys. 288.64. Let's see if it follows through, guys. If it follows through, we'll get in. Hold on. I'm gonna wait for a little small pullback if we can get one, and then I'll get into some shorts. Ooh, come on. All right. I think it's gonna follow through, but okay. Well, are we gonna get that push or not? I think so. I think we might get that push, guys. I'm gonna wait till gets up to that. You can probably enter to some shorts right here. Come on. All right, I'm up on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Leave a runner. I'm gonna leave this as a runner. I'm already up 292. All right. Let's see where that 1 minute is at. All right, the 1 minute is already down below the zero. So, uh, man, I really want to get into in my live account, but I'd rather just wait. Uh, today is just bad, man. I mean, 292 is not bad, you know? Not bad. Oh, I gotcha. It looks nice, man. Nice and sprayed. Look at that push. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what one of the TikTokers says. Nice. Hey, do you have that out of the car? Oh, that's inside the car. Okay. Damn, that looks nice, man. Nice and clean. Right, right. Yeah, I know that. Mm-hmm. Right. Come on, push up just a little bit more. Okay. Oh, we got a nice wick to the downside, man. This thing can roll back down. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till it hits an area of interest. Come on. Just give me 10 more bucks. Yeah, I'm already down $43, so I'm at 246 right now. I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna go higher. That's what I'm seeing. I should have gotten out. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, we're gonna go higher. Jeez. It's all right. Those sarcastics already crossed over though. That's the thing. I'll go ahead and get out of this one. I got in way at the bottom there. Jeez. I'm gonna try to get in on this one too. I'm at 718 on the Express account. I think we're gonna go down. What happened? Sweet. No, I don't have student loans at all. Yeah, I don't play with that. 309, fellas. That is it for me today, guys. That was my goal. 300 every single day, baby. Let's go. 300 every day, fellas. That's how you do it. You just got to be patient, man, you know? You just got to relax and chill, you know? Like, it's not the end of the world if you don't make, if you make 20 bucks, that's okay. Go ahead and make those 20 and go buy you a cheeseburger or something, man. You know? It's all right. 20 bucks, $5 here is to $5 you didn't have, you know? So, but anyways, fellas, that's all good for me, guys. I'm already done for today. I will be on Monday, guys, and we'll see what we do. As of right now, I really don't know what the market is going to do. Um, I do see this going up higher. You just wait for that reversal on the 1 minute, and you'll see it on the 5 minute as well, unless you get a really big fat candle. Um, but you know what? It looks like it. I see shorts. So just be careful, guys. All right, guys. I'll see y'all next week. Later.